Big news today, the USPTO, the office in charge of patents, decided today that it would stop expediting design patents. Hi, everybody. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Digging into this important topic of design patents as opposed to utility patents, now no longer able to gain the benefit of expediting through the patent office. This is largely due to a huge influx just last year in 2024 of a ton of fraudulent applications. The USPTO claims that there was over 82,000 pending unexamined design applications just sitting on the docket, and a huge percentage of those were unfortunately fraudulently submitted. So you do have to pay additional fee to get expedited treatment, but unfortunately a lot of those were from overseas, and on top of that they were not marking their entity status correctly, claiming that they were first-time inventors trying to gain the benefit of what's called a micro entity fee reduction. So long story short, the USPTO says enough with it. We're done allowing these potentially fraudulent claims to come in. And so they're throwing a lot of the bad out. But unfortunately, what happens is the good, some of the good, right? The good guys, the good inventors like us here at Bold Patents, our inventors are not going to be able to benefit from being able to get a quicker examination. So let's hope that by the end of this, which the final rule is going to get decided today, Thursday, August 14th, 2025, that the normal examination process for design patents will be quicker because there's fewer pending design applications after all. So we'll see how this works out, but there is only expedited treatment for utility. So that will still move forward. Yeah, we probably have heard about this before, but track one is the one major method for utility patents to move forward. There is no parallel design patent expedited path. So for updates on that, we'll be sure to post new videos and articles at boldpatents.com. If you do have questions about your specific invention, not sure whether it's a utility or a design, hop on our website, schedule a free discovery call, have a chat with Dallas or Reno on our team, and get scheduled to speak with one of our patent attorneys for a legal consultation. Wishing you an awesome day today. Thanks for tuning in. I'm JD Houvener. Go big, go bold.